One of the great things about working here is that we work on a lot of different projects at once. We might have 20 projects, and we typically work on a project anywhere from 6 months to 18 months. So as an engineer here, especially someone at the beginning of your career, there's a lot of variety.
There's many reasons why I came to Sunrise. First, some of the smartest people I've worked with in my career have been at Sunrise. And also the diversity of projects here. There are always new projects in the pipeline. I get to learn new technologies and really keep my skills up to date.
We have engineers at a lot of different experience levels here, and actually from different eras of technology. And that gives us the opportunity to learn from each other.
Over the summer, I worked on 4 different projects, actually. I was kind of bounced around from project to project wherever there was work that needed to be done. So I worked on 2 external projects for clients and 1 internal project where I got to gain more experience with using SolidWorks with CAD design. I was able to 3D print my first part that I'd ever designed myself. I'd never 3D printed anything on my own.
We kind of all learn from each other and we all grow from each other in a way that really makes it more of a community, not a workplace.
We fill in each other's blind spots. We're complementary to each other, and we do a lot of cross-learning too.
We have sessions in all the disciplines and cross-disciplines where we get together and we just talk about the issues that we're dealing with. So it's not just even the things that somebody's working on. We have meetings where people just present information or present what they're working on and all the challenges, and we talk about how to solve them. And we think that that's really important because that's how people are going to grow and learn by sharing. If we do 20 projects, you're only going to see a few of them, maybe 4 in a year, but there's another 16. So let's share some of that, and we really believe in investing in that because we think that makes everybody more capable and more knowledgeable and have more wisdom.
There are times when a project comes in that needs us to practice some particular technique or use some particular material that we haven't used before. It ain't a problem. We do just-in-time learning when we need to. Engineers are people who learn fast.
Here at Sunrise, there are multiple opportunities for continuous improvement and professional development. We have folks that get together every week after work and talk about new technologies and explore what we might want to use to support future client needs or to keep current with updating standards.
So with CTO, we've implemented a program for continued technical education. And there are certain areas where people are interested in, and we really highly encourage them and can support some further development of their skills.
I've taken the opportunity to participate in Agile Scrum training. I took a 2-day course and was able to obtain a certificate and immediately apply that to the execution of the projects I'm supporting.
So here, when you join, you will see a lot of different technologies, get exposed to them, work on them, and just really enhance your skills. And also, it's a lot of fun and really interesting because just the diversity never stops.